Hello, 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 how are you? I'm good, I'm great, I'm wonderful. It's story time.
Daniel Tiger's Neighborhood. Bacon Day. Adapted by Natalie Shaw. Hi, neighbor. We are helping Baker Acre today, Daniel Tiger said. We are going to bake cookies, said Prince Wednesday. They both wanted to make cookies shaped like Trolley. Baker Acre had a recipe. First, we need 1 stick of butter, he said. Daniel added the butter. Prince Wednesday added the sugar. Oh no! He bumped into the table and spilled the milk. Baker Acre sang, "It is okay to make mistakes. Try to fix them and learn from them too." Prince Wednesday cleaned up while Daniel got more milk. "I fixed my mistake and learned to be more careful," Prince Wednesday said. He stood still and added the milk without spilling it. Next, Baker Acre added an egg. Then Daniel added flour. "Now we mix," said Baker Acre. Soon they had dough. They rolled it out. Baker Acre gave them cookie cutters shaped like trolleys. They made the cookies and placed them on a baking sheet. Then Daniel dropped a cookie. "How do I fix it?" he asked. "You can mix it back in with your dough to make a new cookie," Baker Acre said. Daniel fixed his mistake and learned a baking secret. Baker Acre put the cookies in the oven. After they were baked, the cookies had to cool. When Baker Acre moved the cookies off the tray, the trolley wheels broke. To fix the mistake, he used round candies to make new wheels. Soon the cookies looked like Trolley. Sometimes mistakes can be a good thing, Daniel said. Aga-maga.
The end. Now it's time to say goodbye. Say goodbye. See you here next time.